everybody. I'm filming this on my phone because I forgot to bring my GoPro, so if the video's a little choppy, the audio quality sucks, deal with it. Because I ran out of the house in a hurry because the day that I've been waiting for a few weeks now has finally come, and I am beyond excited. kILLface is back. I gave everybody a little sneak peek on my Facebook and I think on Instagram too of what we're looking at. And I'm heading to Filger's Custom Auto Body and Restoration Body Shop Customization. We still got to work on that name, but down here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, my boy Robert absolutely killed it on this car and on my helmet. He fixed a colossal disaster piece that was on. I don't want to get into the details on that. Let's just say you get what you pay for, and I got a little burnt. I tried to get a helmet custom painted, and it didn't really work out very well. But it is what it is. Rolled the dice, and it didn't play out in my favor. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about kILLface. So we're gonna head over to Filger's right now, and we'll pick this up when we get there. We got candy, we got metal flakes, we got flames, we got a fucking psychedelic cobra on this thing. We got marble with green, like, he fixed all my dents. I'm showing you guys this right now because I gotta get the hell out of this paint booth because I don't have a mask on, and it's getting a little fumey in here. It's just, I hate to say it, but would you just look at it? Just that. Few things in life are guaranteed, ladies and gentlemen. Death, taxes. Ford guys hate Chevys. They also hate LS swap Mustangs. They also hate the 1978 Mustang too. They also really hate SN95 Mustangs, namely the 94 to 98 one. And they also hate fake Cobras. So we hit all those wickets, minus the death and taxes thing here, but check it out. The inspiration. Struggled through that one. Y'all smell burnt toast? The inspiration behind this is the 1978 Mustang 2 King Cobra. I actually brought Robert the vinyls and said, just paint it black, slap the vinyls on there, get creative if you want to. And boy, did he. Look at this. We got the lace in here. I hope you can see the metal flake. We got candy, layers of candy buried under tons of clear, airbrush, ghost flames. Like, so full disclosure on this is not really my original idea. I gotta give credit where credit's due. Joe Durard, I hope I'm not butchering your name. He paints like the hood for Jonathan Coleman and a bunch of the Mustangs that the DBR guys, they're drag week competitors. And when they rolled up to drag week last year, with these hoods on Tech Day that they have, I'll insert them here, I was like, holy crap, that is amazing, and you're onto something. And I think you're gonna start a trend with this. And I'm gonna try to continue the trend and continue the movement here with this thing. So I think we're gonna have an award at Drag Week 2020 for best hood design. And I hope I'm in the running. Other things we did too, we went ahead and freshened up my helmet, gave it a nice revamp. This is actually the second revamp on it in a week, because the last time it looked like somebody just airbrushed the thing like a t-shirt at the county fair, and it looked absolutely terrible. Remember folks, you get what you pay for with a lot of this stuff. So we hit all the wickets here with all the haters. We're gonna piss everybody off with this thing, and if we can't be fast, at least be remarkable, look good doing it, right? And I hope people either love this thing and hate that they love it, or hate it and love that they hate it. Whatever one. I want people on both sides of the fence, like completely divided over the look of the car. Either they think it's the ugliest thing ever, or they think it's the sickest thing ever. I personally, obviously, a little biased, think it's absolutely sick. So anyway, I appreciate it. Sorry it's been so long. We have some more stuff going on with this. Whole bunch of holly goodies to go on the car. And I got some changes, and I got some work to do here in the very near future to get ready for Drag Week 2020 and kicking Logan's ass. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Head over to clapdot.com/store. The COVID-19 face mask t-shirts are on sale, and we also restocked a bunch of the stickers. They're all over there. Have a great day.